camping out up there.
We are both sweating.
Yeah, I'm sweating in November.
Yeah, right.
Found the big D.
You never know where there's a pile of dog poop just waiting for you to step right in it.
And don't play in the leaves.
Yeah. Here's our picnic table, I think, because our site is right here. There's no picnic table to be found, but we'll just move that. Guy is cozy and Piper's cozy and Mike is
Not
cozy? Oh, Piper give you kisses. She's like, get cozy. We're here at Delaware State Park. I've got a gourmet meal cooking in there. Again, frozen pizza. Guy is zonked. Mike is zonked. Piper is not zonked.
it feels like it's been a long time since we've gotten to a campground in the dark.
It does, but it's also getting to be that time of year when the sun is setting a lot sooner. But I'm still happy we're here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We got all day tomorrow to just sleep in.
I can't wait. Cannot wait. It's a bag, girl.
Look at that. She's gonna get it. She's gonna get it.
She's like, I do not like litter. We're gonna take these two dogs for a walk because we got caught up watching a movie.
Yeah, we did.
Oh my gosh.
Weird. The Al Yankovic story. It was amazing.
It was awesome. So we highly suggest, if you have a good sense of humor, dry like parody, highly suggest it.
Oh yeah.
Now you have to be careful this weather because you never know where there's a pile of dog poop just waiting for you to step right in it.
And don't play in the leaves.
Yeah, too dangerous.
The sign over here says fall camping is the best camping.
Oh, that's debatable. What do you guys think? Is fall camping really the best camping? I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say winter camping is the best camping.
Well, it is fall, and today it's 70 degrees. It's November.
It's ridiculously warm.
For November, this is insane.
Look.
We already had our first snow, too.
Yes, we did. And then the next day, it was like 70 degrees. It went from like 20 to 70. Typical Midwest.
I might as well take advantage of it while it's here.
Yeah.
Everyone else's campground is unseasonally busy.
Yes, it is. I think they even opened up the back half of this part here, which is normally closed November 1st. But with the foreseeable future being in the 70s, why not? It is surprisingly green, though, through here yet.
It is. There's a lot of leaves on the ground, too. If you look up, there's a lot of leaves missing.
Yeah, that's true. I know I've seen these before. I just don't know where or what it's from.
It's from a tree.
Well, obviously it's from a tree, but does anyone know what tree? Let me know in the comments. Some big nuts up there.
It's hard to tell how big they are.
Yeah.
Maybe I should climb up there and
Yeah, go
measure
for it.
Yeah, okay.
Just shimmy right up there. I believe in you. All right, so where are we?
At the D.
At the D? All
Yep,
right.
found the big D.
We started way up there.
Yeah.
Trying to hold more of these big green balls.
Yeah, these are big ones, too.
Yeah, these are really big.
Look at them.
I mean, yeah, that's huge.
Look at those balls.
Compared to that other one. Giant balls.
up there.
I mean, I would hate for that to fall on your head.
Yeah, they hit
Those
you in
things
the
are
head.
big.
That would really suck. Let's not stand under it.
Yeah, let's keep moving. Keep her moving. So we did the Briar Trail, is that what it was
Briar
called?
Patch.
Briar Patch Trail. Total of like 1.7 miles minus, I mean, well, not in addition to the walk to get to the
And
trail
from.
itself. Yeah. We're gonna take the dogs back because they're both panting and we are both sweating.
Yeah, I'm sweating in November.
Yeah, this is crazy. And not long sleeves or anything.
No.
I probably could have wore shorts. Jeez, but I think I earned myself a beer.
If you want to buy Lynn a beer, Venmo at Wandering Wagners.
Yeah.
Buy Lynn a beer.
Yeah. These two dogs are just like dragging it back. Like not pulling, loose leashes.
It's definitely not our typical November hiking.
Oh no, definitely not.
I mean, even I'm tired.
Something probably shouldn't do. All right, I am on the roof, but I'm missing something. Hey, quick drink of my beer.
Pretty good.
We do not suggest you do this.
No, don't try it at home.
Don't try this at home. Sitting up here now, got my beer, just waiting for our guests to arrive. We have Chuck and Cherie setting up right there. Oh my God, these yellow jackets. They followed me up here. Ah!
Just camping out up there.
We're taking forever. Well, I successfully made it off the roof with the cameras and my beer safely. So I did say I don't recommend you do this, but I mean, nothing bad happened this one time. So I can't say don't do it, but do not recommend, would do it again. Tater Creek.
Okay,
is it really real?
First of all,
I experienced nothing.
Uno told me that Potato Creek State Park is supposedly haunted. There's a state park that, for whatever reason, doesn't get as much love as the others. This park is known more for the ghosts that supposedly stalk the grounds than anything else. An old park that might just be the most haunted park in Indiana.
Well, what do you think, Mikey?
We came, we froze,
Yeah.
and we saw nothing.
No.
you can't see ghosts in the wintertime. And the reason being, how many funerals
Fake
have you
news.
gone to where you've seen ghosts of people buried in overcoats and warm clothes? They're not going to come out
But they're not going to
in the
feel it.
wintertime.
They don't feel cold.
Obviously, that's not true because you didn't see any ghosts.
Well, I think we're going to go on a hike on this very windy day. It's not very hikey weather, but
It's warm.
it is warm. Still wearing t-shirts. Just like 30-mile-per-hour winds.
Oh, geez. Found the big O.
On the big O.
Found it. I got that.
Cut.
Down she goes.
Man, it's a beautiful day, but I don't know if you can hear that wind. It is wicked out there. Luckily, the trees are kind of blocking it for us.
Yeah, if you look up, it's super windy.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely hear it. There's huffing and puffing back there.
She got you all over.
I'm jogging. Come on.
Trying to follow Dave. She's still trying to go to Dave. Dave, take me with you. Convection microwave is preheated at 425. What you're going to do is you're going to put the pie in and it's going to stay in for 15 minutes, and then you're going to lower the temperature to I think 350 for another like 40-45 minutes. Oh my goodness.
Look at that pie.
Yeah, don't burn yourself. Take the whole thing out. It's the nice thing about this is now it's a pie cooling rack.
Look at that. Look at that pie.
Such nice weather we're having. I would actually prefer it to be colder and less windy. I hate the wind. Do without it. Thank you. Wade, you found a new best friend? That's exactly how Piper sits on you.
Yeah. It's like a competition.
Yeah.
We can sit the highest up on me.
Oh! Hi, Wade! Wifey over here. Chewing on a bone. Over here at Fitch's, we got our two dogs in their pen. We got Pipe and Guy, and Guy's like, let me out. No one can pet me from here, I don't like it.
Got two girls going.
Yes, we do. Oh, yeah. Looking good. Got some dogs on there because Mike wants chili cheese dogs. Okay. Yeah, so I was going to be cooking some Philly cheesesteaks, but when he heard chili cheese dogs, he was like, cancel those. I'd rather have the dogs. So here we are. Oh my goodness. It's a heck of a spread we got going on.
No planning.
Yeah.
No planning whatsoever.
Andrea, how long did it take you to plan this meal?
I think we decided what to make at 4:15 today. It's now 6:15.
Sounds pretty good to me.
What do you have in your camper? What do you have in your camper? This is what we had in our camper.
Exactly. And it works. Well, the wind has died down a little bit, enough for everyone to build a fire over here at Fitch's site. Nice fire, Dave.
Nice fire.
Very
Courtesy of Mike.
nice.
Mike helped with the
Courtesy of Mike.
I brought over an arm
I got her going if
Yeah.
I accelerated.
Well, we probably don't need the blower since the wind is doing that for us. Everyone is getting all packed up. And as you can see, it is freaking gorgeous outside today. That sun is hot. Say bye bye. Bye everyone. We had a great time here at Delaware State Park. Big shout out to Chuck and Cherie, en route with Chuck and Cherie, for inviting us on their little trip.
It was a blustery weekend.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's right, Pipe. She just went. Yeah, it was crazy windy yesterday. It was almost comically windy.
It's like 30-mile-per-hour wind gust, and then today it's beautiful. It's
Yeah.
like 70 degrees, no wind.
We had an awesome time, and I'm ready to get back on the road and find another place, do some other things, see what else we can get into.
We have no plans as of yet as to where we're going.
That's true.
We'll figure it out when we get there.
Yep. So until next time, see ya.
See ya. We're doing another thing.
Yeah. Another thing to assist our past thing.
Right.